Hello, my name is Florian and I'll present you an application that is using the scope Tektronix TDS 3000 series to show the output signal of a digital to analog converter and display the results on XY format. I'm using a development board based on PIC16F877 microcontroller. The output of the microcontroller, the output port, are connected to a digital to analog converter, this one, and the output of digital to analog converter are connected to channel 1 and 2 of the scope. To see the XY format, we will press the display button from the front panel, XY display, select, and select trigger XY. The resulted waveform shows like this.